Hello and welcome back to Taste of Mountain. Today, we are crafting a soulful dish that will fill your kitchen with heavenly aromas and your heart with joy. Mutton bhat. Perfectly paired with steamed rice, onions, and a squeeze of lemon, this dish is comfort food at its best. Let's get cooking. Start by taking 750 grams of mutton in a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and half a small cup of mustard oil. Mix everything thoroughly to coat the mutton evenly. Then let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Next, heat 200 grams of mustard oil in a pressure cooker. Once the oil is hot, add whole garam masalas. Check the description box for details, followed by 2 bay leaves and 4 dried red chilies. Saute until a rich aroma fills your kitchen. Now, add 4 medium-sized chopped onions and fry them until golden brown. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Doesn't that golden color look beautiful? Add 3 medium-sized tomatoes cut into pieces. And 8 to 10 green chilies, adjust based on your spice preference. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of salt and cook until the tomatoes soften. Add a splash of water if needed and mash the tomatoes as they cook. Once the mixture is soft, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Stir it all together. Now, introduce the hero of our recipe, the marinated mutton. Stir gently and cook on medium heat. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. After a few minutes, add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, one tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili paste, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seed paste. Keep stirring and cooking until the oil starts to separate from the spices. It's time to add 2 medium-sized potatoes, pulp, and mix them in. Look at how beautiful the spices look, coating everything perfectly. Add enough water to create your desired gravy consistency. I've added just enough to cover the mutton. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Close a pressure cooker and let it cook for 5 whistles. Once the pressure releases, open the lid and check the gravy's consistency. Adjust if necessary. Just look at that vibrant color and let the aroma tantalize your taste buds. Serve this delicious mutton with steaming hot rice, onions, and lemon wedges. That's it, a hearty plate of mutton bhat is ready to be enjoyed.